Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to convert the Daz Studio, the Daz Genesis 8.1 3D avatar to Character Creator 4. Just one button, you can done the conversion to make this avatar to become the ccAvatar in your Character Creator 4. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can see this is my Daz Studio. And this 3D avatar is the Genesis 8.1 3D avatar. What you can do is just click File, Export as FBX file. As demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I will create a new folder here, 01, from Daz Genesis 8.1. So the file name, I'm going to name this as Daz Genesis 8.1 female 01. Right now, this is FBX exportation. I click save and here click accept. Now from the Daz Studio, it exported as FBX file. It will export it at here. Just wait for a while. Now it is just 40%. It is exporting. Done. You can see the FBX file already exported from the Daz Studio. Next, I will open my Character Creator 4. Then, just one button, click Transformer, CC3+. This is to import the Daz Genesis 8.1 avatar. Then, it is on my desktop, the 01 from Daz Genesis 8.1. Import this FBX file. Then you can see the Character Creator 4 pop out a message here. You click Basic. Then here, Asset Import Status Report, you have to take Bake Body Texture. Then the Bake Maximum Texture Size, you can choose it bigger, but as demo, I will just choose 1024. Then these are the cloth. It is going to convert the Daz Studio avatar to become the CC character. Then click OK. Right, now you can see it already converted to become the CC3+ character, and this software is Character Creator 4.2 for today. This is the latest updates of the Character Creator 4. This is Character Creator 4.2, always remember. Now you can see some of the 3D penetration at here. To fix this, first you have to click here, then choose the pose calibrations. I will choose T-pose first and have a look. Any of the penetration, for example here, what you can do is just press Q and double click the cloth here. Then click Edit Mesh. Then click Sculpt here to extrude it out. This is to pull. Then press Q. Just have one click, two click to make sure it already pop out. Then click again, edit the mesh. Then everything done already. And actually you can save this cloth. To save this as a custom cloth, you can just double click it. Then just go to here, go to custom. Now it is signing the content. Just wait for a while. Now after a while it finished signing. Now this is the cloth. save to the cloth, custom. Then this one you can just consider this as the underwear. So underwear, this is the previous one, the previous demo. Right, just double click it, save it here. Then the underwear, DAZ 8.1, you can just save it like this. Then another one is the bra. You can just double click. You can save it as the cloth. Now this should be underwear as well. Save it here. Bra, DAZ Genesis 8.1. Okay. Now both you save it as CC cloth, and also this hair you can save it as CC hair as well. Just go to the hair, custom. Should be hairstyle, and anywhere. Save it. Not this. Wait, this assets it considered as the, maybe it considered as a cloth, but it doesn't matter. You can save it. The hair 01. Where is save? Save as the cloth just now. This one. Wait, let me test again. Under the shirt folder, just check the property. Save. The hair 01. Save. So this is the cloth. If I double click, I press Q, double click to delete it. This is the one, hair 01. Right, done. Once done, you also can save the whole avatar, or you can use the morph. Save the whole avatar at here. You can use the morph to morph and shape the body. I will save it under the custom project. Save this as a CC project like this. I click save the CC project. Alright, this one I will just name this as Daz Genesis 8.1 female 01. I save this. Now it will become a CC project like this. You also can export it as an iAvatar. Just click here, File, Export iAvatar. Export it here. Ctrl C to copy and paste it here. Ctrl V and press Enter. Now I save it as an iAvatar as well, that you can use it in iClones as well. So for this part done. This avatar already converted from the Daz Genesis 8.1's 3D avatar to become the CC avatar, and everything done completely. Alright, that's all for today about how to convert the Daz Genesis 8.1 as the CC avatar. In Character Creator 4, you can make it become a CC3 Plus avatar. In CC4, just one button, you can done everything. Just save it in your custom folder and export it as iAvatar. Then everything done. Right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.